What's up, weirdos? Good evening. How's it going out there? Hope everybody's having a good night. Listen, kind of a well, not even a red week. I wouldn't say it's a red week. It's kind of a sideways week, right? It's a weak red week. I'm going to be doing some more DCAing this evening. Going to put my buy alerts over on the Patreon. Um, it's a great night to continue to stuff whatever bags I have that are in the red. Now, two-thirds of the projects I hold in my portfolio right now, despite the red we've seen, I'm still significantly green in about two-thirds of my portfolio. So the other third of my projects that I'm red on, slightly red on, I'm going to be DCAing this evening and topping some of those bags up because, hey, why not, right? Why the heck not? So I will be putting my buy alerts over on the Patreon. The 10% Club will know exactly what I'm doing. If you want to know what I'm doing with my portfolio in real time, what I'm adding, what I'm subtracting, what I'm DCAing into, what I'm flipping, swing trades, and so much more, get over to the 10% Club, guys. The link is in the description. So let's have a little bit of a looky-loo across the market. I will point out that ZBEC, of course, with its inverse correlation to Bitcoin, continuing to be green as Bitcoin is red. No surprise there, but, you know, we're going to have a look around, guys. Jasmy down 3.5 on the day, 10 on the week, up 21.3 on the month, and 39% down on the year. We're even in rank at 96, we'll call it an $800 million market cap, 74 million in volume. Swift Coin, volume's still up on Swift Coin. That's good, but we're down 0.5% on the day, 14 on the week, up 0.3% on the month, and 175% on the year. We are up one spot in rank to 341, $112 million market cap, and 2.42 million in volume. What a great pickup Swift Coin is right now, guys, in my opinion. Absolutely fantastic. Only a $112 million market cap on Swift Coin. What an opportunity. What an opportunity, guys. Onyx Coin XCN down 4.3 on the day, 19.5 on the month, up 2.3 on the month, and 882 on the year. Down 3 spots in rank to 125, $522 million market cap, 37 million in volume, and of course, ZBEC, we can't sleep on the big Kubasa right now, up 6.7 on the day, 34.3% on the week, 0.1% on the month, 0.2% on the month, and 233% on the year. We are up 4 spots in rank to 170, $341 million market cap, 32 million in volume. By the way, guys, in a quick side note, I do have a video I will be uploading tomorrow. We covered the spaces that happened over on X between ZBEC and Algorand, talking about their new partnership. It's about a half-hour long, so I will be dropping that video tomorrow, probably late morning or early afternoon, so keep an eye out for that if you want all the latest and greatest. I know a lot of you guys don't have X accounts, so you miss out on a lot of that stuff, so I like to recap it, cover it, so everyone can get the alpha, right? So keep an eye out for that tomorrow, guys. But it's kind of a mixed bag across the altcoin market right now. Some things are pumping, some things are dumping. SPA's up, Foxy's up, Axelar up almost 17%. Stronghold went on a big run earlier, like 2 weeks ago or something like that, a week and a half ago, 63.7%. So a bit of a mixed bag, guys, right? It's an opportunity to DCA if that's what you want to do. It's a good time to do so, guys. Not financial advice, but you are most certainly running out of time, my friends. You are running out of time. Get in where you fit in before you don't fit in no more. Let's have a look over at Bitcoin's charts. But before we do, guys, we got something else to look at here. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, as we always do, guys. Decent Biometric wallet. Guys, listen, we have one hell of a phenomenal deal for you right now on the Decent wallet. You're getting $20 off if you use my link down below. in the description. You're also going to get, now this is exclusive to my channel and it only runs till August 5th. So you're going to get 20 bucks off your Decent wallet. And if you are a ZBEC holder, you're a ZBEC fan, you love it, guys, you're also going to get a free ZBEC airdrop to your Decent Biometric wallet. Do not miss out on it, my friends. This ends, like I said before, August 5th, only for the first 200 people. So do not miss out on that. This has been running for about a day and a half now, guys. It only runs till the 5th. So listen, after that, back to regular price, my friends. The airdrop will take place on August 20th. You must have your wallet address sent into them by August 17th. Instructions are down below in the description. Get your 20 bucks off your Decent wallet. Not your keys, not your coins. Get your free ZBEC airdrop, guys, simply by using our link and the coupon code, which is also down below, future20off. Okay? Check that out, my friends. Get in where you fit in. Absolutely. Let's go look at the Bitcoin chart now, see what's going on. All right, guys. So I've been talking about this for like a week, maybe a little more. Give or take, we'll say a week, okay? We've been talking about the CME gap right down here. Let's make this red, shall we? We're going to make it red at this point. Let's fill it in, baby. All right. Well, it's not really, doesn't really show up red on there, but whatever. I digress. Let's make it yellow. Sure, there we go. Whatever. Anyway, the CME gap down there, guys, if you don't know what a CME gap is, to sum it up really, really quickly, basically when markets close on a Friday and the price of Bitcoin pumps or dumps over the weekend, and then the markets open on Monday and Bitcoin's price is either significantly higher or significantly lower than it was when the markets closed, well, then that creates what's known as a CME gap, which acts like a magnet a lot of the times for the price, which generally will come back up or back down to fill in that CME gap before continuation to either direction. So is it mandatory that it has to happen? Of course not. It's not mandatory, but it is common that it does happen quite a bit, right? So in saying that, guys, let's just get this CME gap filled. Let's get it over with, right? Let's just get this over with. That's what I want to see here. Make it happen. Get down here, fill the CME gap so that it's not hanging over our heads anymore, and turn around and lift off. Maybe we consolidate in a lower range, right? Maybe we consolidate down here for a week or so, maybe a week and a half. I do think we'll start to move back to the upside next week, but if we're going to fill the CME gap, let's just do it. Let's just rip the Band-Aid off, give it the old heave-ho, and, make it happen, right? Let's get it done. That's what I say, guys. That's what I say. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it's a fantastic idea. Rip the Band-Aid off so that we can continue to the upside, for crying out loud, right? We've been consolidating here long enough, in my opinion. A lot of buying and selling pressure. Big battle between the bulls and the bears, my friends. So we'll see what happens. But I personally do think we will come down and fill the CME gap. Been saying that for about a week now. So we'll see what happens. Probably tonight. I think it's probably going to happen tonight. I would rather it happen tonight so that we can, get it done before the weekend starts, and then we can move up, right? So let me know what you guys think. And listen, guys, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through a bull run before, there's something that you definitely need to know, okay? And this is something that I try to let people know about all the time because no one talks about it, okay? If everybody in crypto makes life-changing wealth, why is everybody not driving around in Lamborghinis and wearing Gucci? Because it's not true. Everybody does not make life-changing wealth in crypto. 10% of people in crypto, roughly, give or take, make true, actual life-changing wealth for themselves. We're talking millions of dollars, never have to work again kind of money, right? Only 10% of people in crypto do that. And where do they get that money from? They get it from the other 90% who make all the mistakes in the world and lose money. Well, who do you think that money filters to? The 10%. That's how this system works, guys, right? It's player versus player in crypto. We are the 10%. We've helped 43 members hit seven-figure portfolios just this year, and many others have hit high six figures, guys. We have thousands of members in the 10% club. Get over there today. The link is down in the description, my friends. We're live every day. We do exclusive Patreon-only live streams featuring Rule Black and Maximus Crypto and myself. Tonight we dropped 3 microcap gems in the live stream for you guys. Actually, sorry, 4. We dropped 4 microcap gems in the live stream tonight over on the Patreon. Get in where you fit in, guys. Get in early on these projects, and now is the perfect time to get the help and the education that you need to make sure that you are front running this market. What we do over there is we help you leave crypto before everybody else does. You do not want to get stuck without a chair when the music stops. Guys, join the 10% club tonight. Check it out. The link is down below for coaching calls as well. You need coaching AMAs and stuff. Book yourself in, guys. Absolutely free as a Patreon member. Again, join the 10% club today. The link is down in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.